Hello kapatid. No gift is higher than love. Meron ako i-share sa'yo na Bible verse from 1 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 1 to 3. At ang sabi dito, if I could speak all the human and angelic tongues, but had no love, I would only be sounding brass or clanging cymbal. If I had the gift of prophecy, knowing secret things with all kinds of knowledge, and had faith great enough to remove mountains, but had no love, I would be nothing. If I gave everything I had to the poor, and even given up my body to be burned, if I am without love, it would be of no value to me. Greatest love, pagmamahal ang tinuturo sa atin ni Jesus ng Panginoong Diyos. Hindi ba't sabi niya sa first commandment niya, love the Lord your God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment. And the second is like it, love your neighbor as yourself. All the law and the prophets hang on these two commandments. Pagmamahal, kapatid. Kahit gaano kabuti ang intensyon mo, kung wala itong pagmamahal, wala itong silbi. Sana may natutunan ka kapatid. God bless you. Shalom and Amen.